Every day, we manage information that belongs to our customers, coworkers, and partners. Handling this securely is vital to maintain their trust. While headlines often focus on sophisticated hackers, most privacy incidents result from simple, daily habits, like rushing through a file transfer or an email. To see how these errors happen, we will walk through the process of preparing, sending, and storing a sensitive file. To follow along, you need access to your email client, your organization's approved storage network, and your internal IT reporting channel. Mastering the pause, check, protect method turns security awareness into a repeatable checklist you can use every time you handle data. Step 1 is checking the data. Before you attach a report to an email, open the file and look for our first risk, oversharing. It is easy to send an entire raw dataset when the recipient only needs one specific metric. This habit creates unnecessary exposure for information that doesn't need to be shared. In this report, the recipient only needs names and statuses. However, the file also includes full addresses, birthdays, and ID numbers. You must sanitize this document by deleting or permanently redacting any columns that are not essential to the recipient's task. Now that the extra data is removed, the file contains only what is necessary for the job at hand. Enforcing strict data minimization ensures that if a file is ever mishandled later, the amount of sensitive information at risk is as small as possible. Now that the file is ready, open your email client to attach the sanitized document. Rushing can trigger the autocomplete trap. If you type a name too quickly, the system might suggest an external vendor instead of your internal colleague. Stop. Clear the incorrect suggestion and verify the recipient's full name and email address before you proceed. The Reply All button is another common point of error, as it can instantly send your sensitive attachment to an entire group that may not be authorized to see it. Developing a habit of manual verification ensures that your data stays within the trusted network. For the final step, you need to save a local copy of this sanitized file for your records. Many people fall into the convenience trap, saving files to their desktop, a public folder, or a personal USB drive simply because it is fast. These unapproved locations lack the encryption and access controls required to keep sensitive information secure from unauthorized users. Bypass these risky options and save your file only to the organization's approved network or secure cloud storage. Using these authorized locations ensures the file is protected by the organization's existing security protocols. Even with a careful checklist, errors can still happen when we are tired or distracted. If you realize a file was sent to the wrong person or saved in an unsecure folder, contact the IT or security team immediately. Reporting a mistake is a necessary action that allows the organization to respond. It is a way to protect the people whose data may have been exposed. Quick reporting activates containment protocols, which can significantly reduce the impact of the error. The task is complete. We sanitized the data, verified the recipient, and used approved storage. Remember the rule: share only what is needed, send only to the right person, and store only in approved locations. Taking a few seconds to review your work catches mistakes before they become incidents. Before you share, send, or store, pause, check, protect.